Those pigeons.
And they don't get much bigger than this.
No, they won't. He won't get much bigger than that. Yeah.
Baby.
Daddy is real small and compact. He's black and white, and Mama is a little bigger. Oh my.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get up there. You got it. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. I'm not gonna do the rest of it. Thank you.
The rooster is a barred rock.
Out of all these animals.
You got singles?
Oh, he's sticking his head out of the box. No.
You cave hole?
Honestly, all the ones that have that.
Hey, who's this?
Aren't they wonderful?
Y'all be good. Don't get.
Somebody else over there. I'm looking on it.
The plan was to eat them, and then he got the alpha-gal allergies. Can't eat them.
Oh no.
Now we have pets.
Yeah.
Don't want any more pets.
Just one. I'm so scared to get that. Because I'm always in the woods. Caught it here. Oh man. How'd you know you had it?
Started out with hives.
Okay.
Like every time I would eat. Well, it took us a while to figure out that to put that together.
Right.
To eat it, and it takes 6 or 7 hours.
Okay.
Shot of him.
Blackberry jam freshly made.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, what do you have? What is the older? What is the
They're
Yeah, I've had lots of my chickens that, you know. I wanted them free range, especially at my school. So I don't know about you guys.
We do too. So here's another. Amazon sells them.
Yep.
They're super expensive. You can make your own.
Okay.
So you take your board.
Yep.
So you take your cardboard rolls and you take cotton balls and you